This is the official website of Growth Token, growthtoken.com, Growth Token Green Crypto. You can see here, and if you want to buy Growth Token, then you can come on the website of Growth Token and you need to click on buy Growth Token from here. Really, they have an amazing website, and you can check the roadmap also of Growth Token BEP20 launch, which has been done, listed in CoinMarketCap, listed in CoinGecko, social media advertising also done, and contact edit also done. Now this Q2 2022, where this renewable energy partnership done, donation done, exchange listing done, ERC20 launch done. Two things there remaining: hydroponic farming and green energy contribution. If I talk about the Q3 2022 service app remaining, royal partnership done, play to earn teaser remaining, major advertising event remaining, solar panel, residential, commercial, and agriculture remaining. Now from here you can read the Q1 2023 part roadmap also. Growth keeper wallet remaining, staking farming done, landing remaining, major exchange listing remaining. Okay, now if this coin list in major exchange, then we can see the price of Growth Token to buy from going in $1 on going to $1. We can see the price, so you can check the roadmap here. He is the CEO of Growth Token. Okay, he is written CEO CFO John GHEMRAWI. Okay, you can follow me on Twitter also. Okay, or in LinkedIn, and he's COO Mandy Parker. You can follow her on Twitter. Director CARLODC. Okay, you can follow him on LinkedIn or in Twitter. And if I talk, then you can check everything here. Okay, so this is the website of Growth Token. And if you want, you can check the mission, audit, white paper, contact, FAQ, dashboard, and investing. If you want, you can join the LinkedIn channel, Discord channel, Telegram channel. Okay, no, okay, this is the Discord channel, not this one. Okay, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube channel of Growth Token. Now we will check the current price chart of Growth Token in CoinMarketCap. So currently the price of Growth Token is $0.90129, and between 2028 to 2030 this coin can reach $1 according to some expert. As this is not listed in some major exchange for now, but if it get listed in Binance, then we can see a great price pump in Growth Token. If I talk about trading volume, it is up with 2.52%, but price range is down with 6.03%. Market rank is 2780. You can see the market rank from 2780 to 2774 if its trading volume and price change of Growth Token go up. Growth price prediction will be between 2028 to 2030 this coin can reach to $1. Also, you can buy Growth Crypto from Uniswap V2, Lbank, and PancakeSwap V2. We'll see you soon in another crypto video. This is the video related to Growth Token. Before investment in any crypto, do a proper crypto market research, and you will get CoinMarketCap, Binance, and Telegram channel link in my YouTube channel about section. किसी भी crypto में investment करने से पहले proper crypto market research कर लेना.